Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today, I'm here inside Heartland Manor, owned by the Horton, and today we are going to feature this one-story home. It's a model home. It's 2538. The starting price is $586,000. It's 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and 3-car garage. And this is a gated community located inside North Las Vegas in a nice neighborhood. And I cannot wait to show you guys what the house looks inside. Let's go tour it together. So welcome to the 2538 plan. As soon as you get to the door, you see the video doorbell and the smart big lock bolt. As soon as you get in, you'll be greeted with this nice open foyer. Right here on your left is the first bedroom. It's a nice size with this nice open window, one recess light installed, and a standard closet right here. And right outside, you will see the shared bathroom with a combination tub and shower. And right next to it, there's another bedroom on this side. It's also a nice size. One recess light installed and a standard closet. On the left side right here, there is a laundry room. A linen closet outside. The 3-car garage is closed, so I cannot show you guys. Okay, let's go check your open layout area. But before that, let's check all the bedroom first. This side right here is another bedroom. Decent size. And there's a walk-in closet. Here there is a bathroom. Okay, you guys, this is your living room right here. It's plenty of space, perfect for entertaining. And there is a coat closet on the side. Now this is your modern kitchen. Love this huge granite island in the middle. Plenty of space to prepare your meal. Love that green backsplash and the white cabinets. Let's go check your pantry area right here. Tons of space. to store your food supplies. And this side right here, you guys, this is the dining area. There's also tons of space here to enjoy your meal. Now let's go check the primary bedroom. Look at this, you guys. This is a huge bedroom, tons of play space. Love that wallpaper. They also installed the ceiling fan here. Okay, you guys, this room has two walk-in closet, his and hers closet. This is the first one right here, tons of space. And this is the other closet. And now let's go check your primary bath. Love that vanity. Right here is your standard shower area. And a separate tub right here. Very nice. And this side is your water closet. All in all, you guys, plenty of space in this primary bedroom. Now I'm gonna show you your backyard. This is a covered patio. Tons of space over here to entertain, relax, wind down at the end of the day. Your AC right there. Again, you guys, this is a model home, 2538, starting price 586. If you are interested on owning one of the homes in DR Horton, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693 and I'll be happy to tour with you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.